Yeah.
Trick 26. Let's build an automatic door with command blocks. Commands A and B run simultaneously to detect the player. First, let's make an east-west door. Command A opens the door. When you're within 3 blocks, the key is specifying the X coordinate in the fill command. Command B closes it when you're 4 or more blocks away. Get closer, and the stone door vanishes. Move away, and the door appears. Next, the north-south door. To change the direction, switch the coordinates from X to Z. Now the north-south automatic door is perfectly complete. Go ahead and try building your own automatic door with command blocks.